How weight training can lose weight. Learn how weight training can actually lose your pounds. It's a fact, in this day and age, more of us are overweight than underweight. It seems like everyone is on a diet or a weight loss program. The problem with diets is that most people see them as a temporary thing that they need to do to get them where they want to be. We constantly hear things like Bob lost 20 pounds in a month on the super specular diet. Sounds great, but what happened to Bob when he went off the diet after that month? He went back to his old ways and put on 20 pounds. So he then went on a completely fabulous diet plan and lost his 20 pounds again. What really needs to change is his lifestyle, not his diet. Our diet is an important part of our life, and a change in diet can definitely help us to lose unwanted weight. But what if our lifestyle consists of nothing more than watching TV, lying on the couch, sitting on our butts at our office jobs all day, and trying to remember what and when this new diet is going to help us? Allows to eat. If you really want to lose weight, build muscle. Seems contradictory, doesn't it? Most people know that muscle is heavier than fat, hence why you might want to start getting heavier. One of the great things about muscle is that it burns calories throughout the day, even when you're lying on the couch. This means that the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn during the day and the more you'll be able to eat without gaining weight. This is good news for all of us who love to eat. By placing focused pressure on our bodies through weight training, our bodies respond by increasing muscle mass to compensate. The big advantage is that it makes our fat cells chew faster than diet, resulting in you looking stronger, thinner and better. By doing just some basic weight training, we are stimulating our metabolism more than any aerobic training such as cycling or walking. This means that you will continue to burn calories for a long time, even after you have completed your weight training session. The calorie burning effect of aerobic training usually wears off rapidly once you stop exercising. There are many benefits to weight training compared to just starting a new diet. You'll feel better, look better, and experience better results faster. If you think you are overweight, and you want to lose weight fast, then product link given in description, please find from there and buy it. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon and share our videos to your overweight friend, relatives and neighbor. Thanks for watching.